like
What's
that.
up, guys?
You know
It's
what I'm
me,
saying? So
Tara J, back
this
again with
whole
another
thing is
one.
like
Today, I am going to give you
mental
guys
health
a
and
tutorial on how to
talking to
do
people and all that.
makeup,
Cause
no
he
makeup.
told me some shit like
So
a
first, you're going to
man's
get
brain is
Vaseline
not
and
fully
put it
developed
all
until
over
you're
your face.
26 or
And
25.
my specific spots that
Yeah,
I
and shit
like to
like
do
that.
is
So he
underneath
like a lot of
my eyes,
things that
my lips,
men do.
my eyebrow area, just so they can lay
Like
perfectly.
when you
And
young,
then if I
it's
have
like
more on my
you ain't even
fingers, I
fully
just spread it
developed. You
everywhere
don't
else.
even know
But
what you're
those are
doing.
my
It's like, okay,
specific
I feel
places
like
where
I hear
I
you for
like
sure.
to do my
Yeah, so
Vaseline, because
he was
those are
talking
the
to me
places
just
that
about
get
mental health.
dry
I
the
didn't really know what
quickest.
mental health was at first. And then he
Then
was
I'm
just
going to
talking to
grab
me
my
about
top
it.
favorite
And
face
he was just
primer
telling me like,
from
yeah, like, have you ever
Milani,
felt like
Prime
you a
Perfection. When I
man?
say
So
this
when
primer
you
is
go through shit, you ain't gotta
incredible,
talk to
it's
nobody about it
incredible.
because you
It
a
does
man.
give your
And I'm
face
like,
the
hell yeah, you
glow
ain't supposed to talk
like
to
the
nobody.
Vaseline
You gotta
does.
take
It
that
just
shit.
tops
He
it off
like,
just
nah, see,
a
that's
little
the
bit
problem.
more. So
That's the
just
problem.
spread
Like
that all over
you
your
just like
face like I'm doing. You don't
y'all
need
want to talk
a
to
lot
nobody
because
about
it
nothing
does.
because y'all feel like
It works
y'all
miracles.
y'all man, so
I'm
y'all
just gonna
gotta
say
deal
that.
with it. But then that shit come and fuck up your mind and brain and how you doing certain shit. And I'm like, damn,
After you
bro,
spread
like
it all
that's
over your
crazy.
face, then we're gonna go
That's
into
facts. Like that's
our
how it
next
really
step.
happened. And it be all
Make
because
sure you
like I'm a
spread it
man,
in
so
good
like I
because you
gotta
don't
do
want
this.
any
Like
dry
I gotta
spots.
move
And
like
as you
this.
can
And he's like, nah,
see, my
that's not
face is
right.
already beginning
So
to glow
I was talking to
already.
him about that,
Because
and
why?
I
This
did
face
some stuff with
primer
him, like some
is
events and all that.
incredible. If you
And
guys want
yeah,
to
that's
see
a
my
real thing that
review on
all
the
people
Milani
be
face
going through.
primer,
You know what I'm saying? Like
the link for that video will
yeah, I
be in
don't,
the
but
description box along
yeah.
with the products that I use for this video. So no worries, you'll be able to see the review. It is a review
Yeah, no, I
that I
talk to
did
bro
with
when I
Milani
talk to
versus
him. Like we
Naked
be
Face
talking
Primer.
like
And when I say
we
Milani
be
is so
talking
much
a
better,
lot for sure,
child,
but I don't
please
be having
believe
like
that,
mental
okay?
health conversations with him.
So now that I'm done spreading all the primer all over my face, do you see I don't have anything on my face and it's already beginning to give that natural glow
I'm drinking for sure.
just the way I like it. So let's move on to what's next. Grab your concealer. This concealer is from Maybelline. It's a cover stick. It actually looks like lipstick, but it's concealer. It's one of those beige colors. It's hard to tell. I couldn't believe I was trying to show you and it was not showing. I'm so sorry. But it is Maybelline and is the beige color. So, whatever.
Had me sick. I was like I probably dropped a tear up in the movie because it was based on.
What I'm doing now is looking for my stick. I can't find my stick. Oh, found it. This is what I use for my concealer for underneath my eyes. So just not use so much because it does make you get a bit lighter than you need to be. So just trace around your nose and put it like your upper cheek. That's what I would say, underneath your eye to your upper cheek, and just rub it in and you'll see the lightness that comes with it. Not too much again because this is also a no makeup to makeup tutorial, so don't make your face white. So I'm just gonna finish this up and do my other face, my other side of my face, okay guys?
No, the homie said, hey, what the homie said right to him? He said, we said, like, no, we just embrace him like, no, you know what I'm saying? Like, my nigga, don't cry, my nigga. What if it happens, it hurts and shit? But that's the part of embracing the feelings, still happens. But you just gotta embrace life, it's just like, we out here living how we living. What you probably doing? I wouldn't even marry my daughter when I was in the Philippines. I was about to cry because I was so mad that I wasn't. Why would you play a trick around that time? She came on first. Oh, that's you don't make me sound like a nigga. I just had like a whole tour booked in like the UK, like top of the job. And then I told my people, I'm like, look, bro, let's cancel this shit. It's like, what I was trying to do, I was gonna book the tour, and I was gonna get the money. No, I was gonna get it, and then I was gonna attempt to go. But if, according to when my daughter came, I was gonna pull out and she came. You feel me?
Now that I'm finished putting the concealer on the other side of my face, what's next to do, you ask? The line on the nose. You do have a little bit of a light spot on your nose. I'm not too sure if you notice or not, but it's directly in the middle of your nose to your eyebrows. So I'm just going to put like a light spot there. This spot as well above your lip and rub it in because you don't want that part to be too light. And then right in the middle underneath your lips there as well. You do have other spots that you want to put concealer on as well, like some of the dark spots on your face, like the side of your lip, the side of your upper lips, the dark areas, next to your ears. Yeah, I have a really dark spot there, so I just want to lighten it up just a tad bit. I'm going to do the other side as well. And then I'm just going to find several other dark spots that I have along my face, around my mouth area, just to make it brighter, and around my forehead as well, as you can see, just to brighten that up as well. Because we just want the natural glow. We still don't want to look like we have on makeup, but we want it to look like it's natural. Here's the area where I said I was going to find little spots to put around my lips to make the highlight go a little bit more. So what you're going to do now is get the brush of your choice. Some people use the sponge. I don't, because I tend to poke myself in the eye. And then just begin to rub it in. The best route is to do it in circles if you are blending the makeup with other makeup. But at this point, you don't have any makeup on besides that. So just make sure you rub it in the best way you can around all of your mouth area. Soften it up. Make sure you don't have just walking around looking like you got a glop of makeup just sitting underneath your eye or underneath your lips. Rub it all in as good as you can around your entire face. And as you can see, my face is beginning to get the highlight that it needs, and it actually looks like I have dark tones as well, because those are the spaces where I normally put foundation and bronzer around. So that's just perfect. That is rubbing in just exactly how I need it to be. So I'm just going to finish this up, guys, okay? Sorry, guys. I was watching the YG interview at the Breakfast Club. As you can see, he's funny as hell. But anyway, I did switch up the brushes to a much bigger brush because it was taking a long time. And this is the brush that I like to use for my foundation anyway, to blend my concealer and foundation together. So I thought I'll just use this and it'll go so much faster. Remember, make sure you blend in circles. Don't go up and down. Don't go left and right, because then you'll have lines on your face and you'll be looking like a clown. So circles, sis. Circles is the best ways to go. Okay, now that I'm done blending, it doesn't even look like I have on makeup. It just looks like I have some really great skin. When I say great, I mean great. My skin is already good, but now it looks like I have some really smooth skin. Now, let's tend to these eyebrows, okay? Because, child, they are rough. So what we're not going to do is begin to fill it in. Just use the other side of your eyebrow brush and just brush them up and make them shape the way you want them to look. Because we're not going to do anything else to the eyebrows besides shape them and then get back to our concealer. Next, what we're going to do is shape the eyebrows with the concealer exactly how we want them to be. Not a lot, again, because you don't want to overload your face with concealer. Then you out here looking white or like a clown. So just trace the eyebrows how you want it to be and then rub it in. And remember that you're not putting any eyebrow powder, or you're not shaping your eyebrows how you want it to be with an eyebrow pencil. You're just doing everything with the concealer that is left over on your pencil from when you did your under eyes and your dark spots around your face. So I'm going to finish this up and then do my other eye. Blend it in, soften it a little bit, rub it in with my finger. That's probably the best thing you can do, because it does wipe off just a tad bit as well, because you don't want a lot on your face, remember. So yeah, let me finish this up, guys, and I'll be right back. I don't normally put concealer on the top of my eyebrow when I do a full face, but in this case, you do still want to be able to shape your eyebrow the way you want it to be. So just the rest of the concealer that is on the brush that you use, again, to shape the top of your eyebrow to make it look much cleaner, because you're not adding any foundation or anything extra to your eyebrow once again. So I'm going to go ahead and finish that up, rub that in, and shape my eyebrow the way I would like them to look naturally. And then rub it in with my finger, because it will take off a lot more makeup than I need it to be. And afterwards, use the makeup brush again, or eyebrow brush again, to shape your eyebrow up for the final. And then that's that, guys. The last thing I'm going to do is put Fenty Beauty's highlighter on my face. This is my favorite stuff ever. Of course, you're going to use your slanted brush and get your trophy wife going. Just pop it a little bit there. Pop it a little bit on that side. Put it in the middle of your nose and a little bit on your eyeline as well, underneath your brow, just to get the shiny going. And that gives you the look that you need. You really don't need to use this step, but I did it anyways. I am going to put just a little bit of bronzer on my hand. Not a lot at all. Just tap it to see if some comes off, or take whatever is on the top of the top on. Just a tad bit. And just darken out the spots where you would put foundation on, like around your hairline, the dark area with from your ear to your lip, underneath your chin, things like that. You don't even need to rub it in. Just tap it in there. It will blend perfectly with your concealer, and then afterwards you are done, baby girl. It is all ready. See? I have on makeup, but you will never know. Last but not least, get them eyelashes popping, girl. Okay, so get whatever mascara of your choice and begin to comb those eyelashes up so you can look like you have some elongated eyelashes. Give them some depth, like I am doing now. And then we'll be moving on to what we'll put on our lips. Unless you just want to put Vaseline on your lips, that works just fine. But I'm going to use something different, okay? What I'm going to do is grab a really simple nude lipstick from e.l.f. I really like this lipstick a lot. It's like a glossy, but it's a lipstick at the same time. And just apply just a tad bit around my lips. I'm not going to rub it in deep because I don't want it to be too dark. I still want my natural color of my lips to come out. So like I said, it is like a gloss, but it gives that tint to your lips as well. See? As you can see. And now I am finished, ladies. I hope this helps you. If not, I am sorry. If you do like this, give this video a thumbs up. And I am Tara J. That's that. I'm out, guys. Peace.